In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open up a web browser and navigate to Canva's official website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, simply click on Login to access your existing Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, which is your hub for starting new projects and accessing existing ones. Now look for the Projects tab, usually located on the sidebar or main menu, and click on it. This is where all your previous and ongoing Canva works are stored. From here, pick the project you want to work on. It could be a page from your website or any design to which you intend to add the Google reviews. After you've selected the project, you are now at a point where you can add different kinds of elements, including apps that help customize your designs. Over on the side menu, locate and click on the Apps tab. This area is home to numerous apps and integrations that Canva supports, making it a versatile tool for all kinds of projects. Once inside the App section, the next step is to search for the Embed app. You can usually find a search bar right at the top of this section, making it easy to quickly find exactly what you need. Type in Embed and you should see the Embed option appear in your search results. Click on it to continue. With the Embed app open, you'll see an area where you can paste a link or code. This is where you'll be bringing in your Google reviews. Let's presume you've already obtained your widget link for the Google reviews you want to showcase. If not, you'll need to get that from your Google My Business account or the platform you're using to aggregate reviews. Paste the widget link in the designated area. Canva will automatically process this and integrate your Google reviews into your selected project. Once the reviews are embedded, you can position them anywhere on your page, adjust the size and make various tweaks to ensure that it fits perfectly with your design. And there you have it. Your Google reviews are now live on your Canva project, creating an interactive and professional look for your website. This straightforward process significantly boosts the credibility of your site by showcasing the positive feedback you've received. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and effective design tips.